Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the mad scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light-up Coca-Cola remote control car. This was not an easy build, but I enjoyed building it. For this, I went to Goodwill. Basically, I take apart old toys to get the wheels and these bars right here in the front and the back. I added a DC motor that runs on 3 volts. This is a rubber band. This little orange piece doesn't move. It's here to catch the DC motor. This piece right here is a radio transmitting and receiving chip. I had to specially order this from Hong Kong. It took like 3 or 4 weeks to get here. That's the key to this. It sends signals to my DC motor, just like that. Forward, back. It's the radio transmitting and receiving chip. For the control, this Coca-Cola logo comes right off a box. I added it to the control to give it basically an effect so it looks cool. This little blinking light, that's, you just go like this, turn it off and on. It's to make it look cool, basically. This light right here runs on 9 volts. I added a switch, off, on. I actually put a flag on here, an enjoy flag, shish kebab stick, just set into basically where the can was in a cylinder shape. I painted the shish kebab stick red. In the back, right here, where the engine runs, it runs on 3 volts, positive to positive, negative to negative. And the same with your radio transmitting and receiving chip, positive to positive, negative to negative. I added another little fin in the back, basically using the Coca-Cola cans to give the car the look. And that's basically it to this. And there's another light right here. It has a switch. If I could get to it, off, on, and that's it, guys. This is a really cool build. I basically just duct taped this on here because I didn't want to hot glue gun it or use any other kind of glue to damage the radio transmitting and receiving chip. But that's it, guys. That's a do-it-yourself light up Coca-Cola remote control car. I'm gonna try not to drive it off the table. It only goes forward and backwards though. Almost drove right off the table. That's pretty cool though. It's a lot faster if I had the floor a little cleaner than it is. I'm messy because I'm always making science inventions. But guys, always be original, creative, and explosive, and make real cool stuff like this. I really enjoyed making this. This be a perfect gift for a little kid or a scientist like Dr. Fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.